So the first step of my planning would to be to go through the hallway procedures poster with the student. I would talk about each step briefly before breaking it down into detail. Once again, the poster that was used in their building looks a lot better than this one, so this is just a rough make of what they had at their school. After briefly going through each step, I would then focus, like I said before, on one step at a time, and each step would last for a 2-day period so that the student can really focus on what each step looks like specifically. So I would first ask the student, since the first step is staying to the right hand side, I would first ask the student if they knew what their right hand from their left hand was, and to make sure that they actually understand their right from their left. Once they understand that concept, I would bring out the hallway map, and this would be laminated so that the student can write on it with an expo marker. All of the highlighted areas are certain areas that the student might see and actually go to, like the library, the restroom, the art room, his classroom, the lunchroom, and the recess area. So I would ask the student, how would you get to the library? By staying on the right hand side, and he would be able to take the expo marker starting at the classroom and tell how he would get to the library by staying on the right hand side of the hallway. After going through the different areas that he might travel to throughout the day, we would then go to the hallway, and I would model what the right hand side of the hallway would look like. There would also be the directional signs in the hallway already set up for the student to help him figure out what the right hand side of the hallway was compared to the left hand side, and they would be in green and red like a stoplight. Green means go, red means stop. So yes, green is the right hand side, so that would help him distinguish the right hand side from the left hand side. If he was on the red side, then it's obviously the wrong side. Once I modeled for him, he would practice walking on the right hand side of the hallway, and I would practice with him at least a few times, and then we would go back into the classroom area, and this step would last for a period of 2 days, doing the same activities each day so that he really mastered the first step of the hallway procedures.